Welcome to our Go programming tutorial series. In this episode, we'll cover how to install Go and set up the development environment, a common challenge many beginners face when starting with Go programming. To install Go, you'll need to update your package list and then install the Go package. This can be achieved with the command shown on the screen. First, update your package list using the sudo apt update command, and then install Go using sudo apt install Go. After installing Go, it's essential to set up your development environment. You can verify your Go environment variables using the go-env command. This will display your Go path and other important settings. Check out the companion notes for more details on setting up your environment for efficient Go development.